Hello guys, this time I want to discuss the MTT machine. What is MTT engine? Okay, let's just start with MTT's multi-tie tamper, or also known as tamping machine, is one type of heavy machine whose population is quite a lot in this world because of its very important role in the world of railroad maintenance. This facility is one of the state railway facilities whose maintenance is managed by the Railway Maintenance Center. MTT functions to compact the stones under the ballast kricak. The ballast rock under the bearing will be compacted by the tamping unit in MTT. The term ballast compaction is commonly referred to as pecking. The depth of impact can be adjusted via the control cabin in millimeters mm, of course, for greater precision. As well as being pinched, the existing rail will also be lifted or lifted, so that the bearings under the rail can be compacted with the ballast stones. Initially, the Tamping machine only lifted the rail and bolted the ballast. The more modern machines, sometimes known as tuck and trim, also function to improve rail alignment to keep them parallel, to make them comfortable for passenger and freight trains, and to reduce mechanical stress on the rails on passing trains. This is done by finding a sinking bearing between ballast, which causes the rail height to decrease. The clapper picks up every bearing and rail, and smooths the ballast under it. When the bearings are lowered back down, the rails which had fallen in height have returned to their original position. In case the sinking of the bearing causes the adjacent rail to rise, the hammer can raise the rail above its original height to keep it parallel. Straightening the rail has absolutely nothing to do with screwing the ballast, it's just to make sure it stays level and straight. Combining the firing and the fireplace in a single machine can save time and money, as only one machine runs on the rails to perform both functions. Okay guys, get here first, thanks, see you in another video.